Hey everyone, happy Wednesday. Now it's officially the 1st of December, which means it's only 25 days to Christmas. Sorry to give you that fright, but we're going to show you how to make some quick cash. And today I'm going to look at, the different time frames that we look at when we're trading and why they're important. So when you're scalp trading, I know a lot of scalp traders go really low, like on the 5-minute and the 1-minute chart. But you've seriously got no business going to those charts. So you should be at the 15-minute chart. So the 15-minute chart I'm going to have a look at BTC here. So, and that brings up so many sort of positions. Now, we can have a look and we can find supports and resistances on this chart, and we can use our EMAs and our MAs. Now, predominantly, this chart is only and should only be used for scalping. Nothing else. You shouldn't be day trading. You shouldn't be swing trading. You shouldn't be doing any other trading except for scalping on this chart. The reason being is it has too many movements if you're in a normal trade, and you're going to be over trading. So, if we're entering a trade, say we're looking at my strategy where I look at the EMAs crossing. So for that video, you can head to YouTube. And we open a position on the EMA cross. We would have opened a position here, and then once the EMA crosses down, we would have sold out. So we're in about a 7% gain on this. So in a low margin to a 10 times margin, that's 70%. So you could even go lower than that if you're not skilled at trading and not skilled at, especially at scalp trading, because scalp trading is a specific skill. So that's the 15-minute chart. So if we are looking at day trading, say we're looking, to go sort of, we want to go in and out in one day. So we would go up to, say, a 1 hour to a 4-hour chart, because we have the waves sort of consolidate in these regions, and then we have less movement. So especially on the 4-hour chart, so you're not over trading in those movements. So if we zoom in on this and we sort of look at what we could do in one day. So for this, we would look for a support region, and we would trade those supports, and we would trade resistances. So in BTC especially, you're going to be going in low level margin. You don't have to. You can be happy with your 3 to 5% every day because that will eventually get you to $1 million. Or you can be in an alt and you can do the similar sort of support and resistance in those regions for, buying and selling. So if you're looking for that, you would come down here and you would find where we have support. So you would pull your diagonal support back to this region, and you would go, okay, so at this point, we've got a support here. So you would have opened a long, and you would have sold at the resistance. So for this is an 8.5% move. So you could do that in a day. So this would very easily move within that day. You can, trade up and down in those regions and make nice profits. So you just need to identify where these supports and where these resistances are for day trading. So you don't have enough time to be a day trader, and you don't want to open a trade every single day. You want to hold for the longer trades. So you want to be a swing trader. So basically that you would go up to the higher time frame. So you want to go up to your 12-hour or your 24-hour, your day trades. So, and have a look at where the support and resistances are. So yesterday in the BTC update, I showed you the block order way of trading. So we would look at, so if you want to go block order swing trading, very easy and simple way to go. You just draw your horizontal lines where we get a cross on those regions. So we would go back here, and we've got a diagonal support along here. And we know that in this region, we've got a cross support. So that's a really safe region to enter. So at this point, we would be entering around this 53, 54 mark, and then entering along and holding this until we get to this upper resistance. So that's a longer term trade. So we're looking at a 40% trade. So in a low level margin, that's a really nice profit. So it may take 2 to 3 weeks to get there. It may take longer, but the price action, sort of indicates that that's what it's going to be. So that's what we use all the different time frames for. So, if you're scalp trading, you want to stick to the 15-minute. Try not to go any lower. I know some of you do, but try to stick to the 15-minute. If you are in your day trades, go to the 1 hour to the 4 hour. And if you're in your longer swing trades, go to the 12 to the day chart. So hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Again, that's my trading tips and tricks, and it's brought to you by gettingstartedincrypto.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.